Hello there, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Now, in a number of my videos, you'll see me mention a thing called a surd, and I thought it would be useful just to explain what a surd is. We're not going to go into how you work with them or anything like that. We're just going to define them here to start with. Now, a surd is an irrational number, usually. It's better if you see an example of one. They're usually expressed as a square root. So the square root of 2 would be an example of a surd. The square root of 9 would not, because we can work that out and we can write it definitively as a number like 3. But the square root of 2 is an endless non-recurring decimal, and so it's just easier for us to write it like this, as 2 under a square root sign. This is called a radical. Other common examples: square root of 5, square root of 7, square root of 11. Notice anything here? Generally speaking, if you've got a prime number, you just treat that as a surd. So if you're looking for the square root of 11, you just write the square root of 11. Square root of 7 you'd write as the square root of 7. I don't really want to say much more than that. There will be some videos on the channel that deal with how you add, subtract, multiply, and divide these, and the various other things that you do with them. But I did want to get this one out there and just define what these things are. So the basic rule is that if you can look at something like this and say, oh, it's a number 3, and that's its exact value, then this thing is not a surd. If you can't express the exact value in anything other than a long, probably non-recurring decimal, then you're probably looking at what's called an irrational number. But instead of having a endless non-recurring decimal, 1 point whatever it is, 14 something, ... it's just convenient to write this, and this is referred to as the exact value of the square root of 2. The exact value of the square root of 5, the exact value of the square root of 7, the exact value of the square root of 11. The exact value of the square root of 9 is 3. We can write that as a rational number. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.